How to redeem promo code on Avatar World. The first things first is you'll have to keep in mind that the promo codes might not be working on some of the payment methods. Right now, I'm currently using the Gcash as payment method with Avatar World, and promo or entering a specific redeem code is not available. Now, if you were going to use any payment method like maybe PayPal or Google Pay, all you have to do is to just tap on the specific card right here, which is the violet icon. Now you will now then be redirected to purchases or products from Avatar World, or any kinds of maybe narrative, house maker, or any kinds of designs that you want. Now for you to enter the code, if it's available, is just simply choose on any product that you want. For example, let's choose on a road trip. Just simply tap on this one and just simply tap on buy. And for you to be able to go directly to the payment method, just input your year of birth. As you can see, the payment method I have is from Gcash. Now, for you to be able to change it, all you have to do is tap on more, and all you have to do is just change your payment method to either of the payment method you want. Now, once you have tapped on the payment method like PayPal or Google Pay, just simply tap on that, and there will be an option there that says input code if you have, and just tap on confirm code. So once you have confirmed the code, now it's going to be depending on the specific code you entered. If it's going to be a discount or a promotional off, then the price that you have originally will be lessened. So yes, that's it. That's how you redeem avatar promo code.